Hey there, if you're struggling with humidity in your home or office, I've got just the thing for you. I'm excited to share my thoughts on a product that's been a game changer for me. The ALORAIR Dehumidifier is a fantastic solution for removing excess moisture from the air. It's a powerful device that's designed to make your space more comfortable and healthy. With its impressive features and capabilities, it's no wonder it's become a top choice for home and business owners alike. The ALORAIR Dehumidifier boasts an impressive 170 PPD, which means it can remove up to 170 pints of moisture from the air per day. This is especially useful for larger spaces or for areas with high humidity levels. It also has a 200 CFM, which is the cubic feet per minute of air that it can move, making it really efficient at removing moisture. The 2.4 L/kWh is another key spec, which measures its energy efficiency, and it's really impressive. This means that the device can remove a significant amount of moisture while using a relatively small amount of energy. The device itself is pretty compact, measuring 15.2 by 14.4 by 24.8, making it easy to fit into tight spaces. This is perfect for basements, crawl spaces, or other areas where space is limited. It also comes with a 19.6-foot hose, which is really convenient for draining the water tank. No more worrying about the tank overflowing or having to constantly empty it. And it has a lower setting of 80 ppd, which is great for smaller spaces or when you don't need as much power. This feature allows you to customize the device to your specific needs, making it even more versatile. I've been using this dehumidifier in my own home, and I can attest to its effectiveness. It's been a real lifesaver during the humid summer months, keeping my home dry and comfortable. I've noticed a significant reduction in musty odors and mold growth, which is a huge plus. My family and I can breathe easier, and our allergies have been greatly reduced. The device is also really quiet, which is a bonus. I can barely hear it running, even on the highest setting. In real-world use, the ALORAIR Dehumidifier has been a game changer for many people. For example, a friend of mine used it to dry out her basement after a flood, and it worked like a charm. Another friend used it to reduce the humidity in his garage, which was causing rust to form on his tools. The device is also great for commercial use, such as in gyms, spas, or storage facilities. Anywhere that excess moisture is a problem, the ALORAIR Dehumidifier can help. Overall, I'm really impressed with the ALORAIR Dehumidifier, and I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient dehumidifier, be sure to check this one out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips on how to make your home a better place. With its impressive specs, compact design, and real-world effectiveness, the ALORAIR Dehumidifier is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or simply someone who wants to improve the air quality in your space, this device is sure to deliver.